Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see our chapter number 8, algebraic expression and identities of class 8th. In this video we only see the terminology that we have to see in chapter. So expression. What does the meaning of expression? Expression is formed with the combination of variable and constant. Okay, for example 2y minus 5. Here 2y, y is the variable and 5 and 2 is the constant, but this whole term is multiplying by the variable, so this whole term will become variable. Here next example is 4x plus 5. So 5 is the constant and x is the variable, etc. example we can take. Its new thing is terms, factor and coefficient. Terms, factors and coefficient. So terms means terms are added to form expression. So whenever we are adding different variable, different constant, so they all together added and form expression. So each term is called term. Terms themselves can be formed as product of factors. So from the help of terms we can get factor, because term is the product of factors. Last is the numerical factor of a term is called its numerical coefficient or simply coefficient. So in the term, whenever we have numerical factor, that will call as numerical coefficient or simply coefficient we can call it. Here I already written their examples. First 14x, 5x minus 4, 4x plus 5, 2x square plus 3x plus 3. So terms. What does the meaning of terms that we see? Terms means terms are added to form expression. So in the first one only one term is there. It means here only one term will come. But in the second one 5x minus 4. So 5x is the first term, minus 4 is the second term. In the third one we have 4x plus 5. So first term is 4x and second term is 5. Okay, here. Now last example that we have to see, it's 2x square plus 3x plus 3. So 1, 2, 3 terms. So 2x square, 3x and 3. Now its factor. Factor means terms themselves can be formed as the product of the factors. So in the first one you can see 14 is multiplying by x. So its factor is 14 and x. In the 5x, 5 is multiplying by the x. So its 5x factors is 5 and x. Minus 4 is the single term. So only 4 that we have to not written here, because only one number or one variable or one constant is here. That's why we are not writing here. We have to see factors. 4x, 4 is multiplying by x. Again only 1, 5 is multiplying by 1. So no need of writing this as a factor. Now 2x square. It can be written in the form of 2x square. It means x is coming how many times? X is coming 2 times. So its factor is 2 into x into x. So x become x square and 2 as it is. Here 3x. So 3 and x. 3 is the only, so 3 is multiplying by 1. So we are not writing it. Now coefficient. Coefficient means when numerical factor of a term. Whenever we see numerical factor, it means here 14, 5, 4, 2, 3. This all numerical thing is called numerical coefficient or coefficient. So 14 into x will give 14 as a coefficient. 5 into x will give 5. 4 into x will give 4. 2 into x will give 2. 3 into x will give 3. So terms, factors of terms is formed as a separately, and the numerical factors are called coefficient. New topic is like and unlike terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable and power. Okay, so when we see same variable and same power, it means they all are like. It means x are same, like term. X square are like. Y is like, but y square is like. But x and x square are unlike because powers are different. Okay, now for example, we can see like term just opposite we can see in the unlike term. When we see different variable and different power, so they are unlike term. For example, we can see firstly we have 7x. So I am writing here 7x. Any number that have x, same variable, it will consider as like term of 7x. So its second is already seen as like because only x is here. Okay, here x. Negative is there, but we did not see negative, but here variable is same, that's why here negative 13x will come here. Now we have 5x square. Is it this x square term will go here? No, because here x square. So this is next group, 5x square. Now 7y. Is it 7y will go in the first or second? No, because y is totally different from x or x square. So here 7y. Now here you can see 7xy. xy, it means multiplication of x and y. So it will not go in any section. For it we have to make new section. So 7xy will go here. Here minus 9y square. Minus 9y square. So it will go in the fifth one because we don't have any y square variable. So minus 9y will go here. Now next variable is minus 9x square. We already seen x square term, x square variable. Did you see it? Yes, here in the second one. So minus 9x square will come here. Now last example is minus 5yx. 5yx. So yx or xy both are same. So it will go in the fourth section, minus 5yx. So first one is all the combination of like term. Second one is also combination of like term. Third one is, fourth one is, and fifth one is. But when we combine all together, like in the example, so they will call unlike terms. Next topic is monomial, binomial, and polynomial. Monomial means, mono means one. It means when in the expression we have only one term, it will called monomial. Here, as you can see here, 4x square, this is the one term. In the second one, 3xy, this is also one term. And minus 7z is also one term having. So they all are calling monomial. Second one is binomial. Bi means two. In the bicycle, two tires. Okay, so that binomial, bi means when in the expression only two terms, it will call binomial. So a plus b, 1 2, 4l plus 5, 1 2, z square minus 4y square, 1 2. So 1 2 3, in three expression we have 2 2 2 2 term. So they will call binomial. Next is trinomial. Tri means three. Tricycle. So in the tricycle, how many tires? 3. So when in the expression we have three terms, that expressions will call trinomial. Its example is a plus b plus c. So 1, 2, 3, three terms. 2x plus 3z minus 2. So 1, 2, 3, three term. And here 4a plus 3x minus 8. So 1, 2, 3, three terms. Etc. example we can see. So 1 term monomial, 2 term binomial, 3 term trinomial. But they all, it will also call as polynomial, it will also call as polynomial, it will also call as a polynomial. All together they are calling as a polynomial. But when we are going to separate, when we are going to naming it as a on the basis of their terms, so on that time 1 term expression will call monomial, 2 term expression will call binomial, and 3 term expression will call trinomial. So same we can see, but all together they can call as polynomial, as an expression containing one or more term with non-zero coefficient is called a polynomial. Non-zero coefficient, why did they say non-zero coefficient? Means whenever we can see any expression is having the coefficient of 0. Okay, here 2xy is non-zero. Okay, this is non-zero, but 0 means 0 is multiplying in x and y, so automatically all together all expression will become 0. That's why when any expression is containing non-zero coefficient, one or more terms, they will call polynomial. A polynomial may contain any number of terms. Here any number of terms, one or more than one. So here we have 1 term, 1, 2, in the second one 2 term, in the third one 1, 2, 3, 3 terms, in the fourth one 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms. So all together they are calling polynomial. Okay, but one more condition I am explaining you, one or more terms with non-zero coefficient is called polynomial. Next topic is multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Monomial means any expression that have only one term. So one term we can take as example 7y 4x minus 3xy 4y square. We can take any monomial term. So first time I am taking these two. So multiplying two monomial. So 7y multiplying by 4x. So numerical coefficient will multiply by each other. So first one I having numerical coefficient as 7. Second one is having 4. Now first one is leaving y. So y is here. And in the second one leaving x. So x is here. 7 4s are 28 and y and x as it is. So its answer is 28yx. Next one we can take second. In the second one minus 3xy, it will multiply by 4y square. Minus 4y square. Firstly we will multiply numerical coefficient to each other. Here we have numerical coefficient as minus 3 and in the second one numerical coefficient is 4. In the first one leaving thing is x, y, and in the second one leave variable is y square. So that 3 4s are 12 but having minus symbol, because here minus is multiplying by plus, so that minus plus is minus. But x is having the power of 1, y is having the power of 1. So x will come as it is. But here you can see y is to power 1 multiplied by y is to power 2. So it will become y is to power 1 plus 2. So it will become minus 12x y is to power 3. This is the answer of second. Now multiplying 3 or more monomial. So more than 2 monomial, when we are multiplying, what will happening, that we have to see. firstly I am taking here any monomial we can take 7y, it will multiply by 2x multiply by 3x. So we have to multiply them each other. So firstly we will take their numerical coefficient. First is having numerical coefficient is 7, second is having 2, and third is having 3. Now in the first one what is remaining? Y, in the second one x, and in the last one x is remaining. Now you can know 7 2s are 14 and 14 3s are 42. So 42 will come here. Now y as it is, but x is to power 1, x is to power multiplying with each other. So base is same, it means all both are having x. So their power will add 1 plus 1. So it will become 42y(x) square. Or you can also write 42x square y, because x is coming in the alphabet order A, B, C, D. X is coming in the alphabet order first from y, because x, y, z we seen. So that's why sometimes you can see their places can be changed according to alphabetical order. Second example we can say is 4x square multiplying by 2x multiplying by 4. In the 4 one we don't have any variable, so look at properly. We are taking numerical coefficient of each. So 4 will multiply by 2 multiplying by 4. In the first one x square is remaining, in the second one x is remaining, and in the last one we don't have any variable, so nothing will come from the last. So that 4 2s are 8 and 8 4s are 32. Okay, here x square is multiplying by x, both are having x. So in the first one we have power as a 2 and in the second one we have power as a 1. So their power will add, so 2 plus 1. So its answer will become 32x is to power 3. New topic is multiplying a monomial. So any monomial we can take. I am taking monomial as a 5y. Multiplying a monomial by a binomial. So any binomial we can take. So here I am taking binomial as 4y plus 3. So 1 2 binomial, 1 monomial. What we have to do? Multiply. So this we have to do. So you can see here we have only one term and inside the bracket we have two terms. So 5y firstly will go near to 4y with a multiplication. So 5y multiplying by 4y. Okay. Now inside the bracket what is the symbol? Plus symbol. Now this 5y will go in the second as a multiplication. So this 5y will multiply by 3. Here as you can see, here we have 5 4. So 5 4s are 20 and here y is to power 1, y is to power 1. So y is to power 1 plus 1 plus 5 3s are 15 and y into 1 is y, because here we don't have any variable, so y will come as it is. Here 20 y is to power 2 plus 15 y. Here this is our answer. Why? Here we did not add the powers of y is to power 2 and y is to power 1 because of this plus symbol. Only in the case of multiplication we can add the powers. Here you can see, here multiply symbol is here, that's why we add their powers. But here we have to stop as a answer because they both are in the addition. Now second is multiplying a binomial by a binomial. So any binomial we can take. Here I am taking 3y plus 4 by a binomial. See, 3y plus 4 we have to multiply any binomial, so I am taking here x plus 2. In this we can take any one from first one, so firstly it will go near to first of second bracket, and next time it will go near to second one. So firstly it will going to x through, then 3y is multiplying by x. Now what is the symbol of here? Plus. So plus symbol, okay, plus symbol. Now 3y is going near to 2, so 3y multiplying by 2. This we have been done with the help of 3y. So here I am putting bracket, okay. This will help you to recheck your answer. Now what is the symbol in the first bracket? Here, so it will comes here because now we are going for the second one, okay. Now we are going for the second one. For the second one, 4 will go firstly near to x, and after that 4 will go near to 2. So we are coming on the second term, that's why this plus. So 4 is multiplying by x plus 4 is multiplying by 2, okay. Now 3 into 1 3, and yx as it is because they both are different to each other, plus 3 2s are 6, y as it is, plus 4 into x is 4x, plus 4 2s are 8. You can see they all are unlike to each other. Here xy, here y, here x, and here we don't have any variable, so we can open their bracket as 3xy plus 6y. If in case of here we have minus, so minus will multiply inside the bracket, but here we have plus, so nothing we have to do, same thing will come here, plus 4x plus 8. This will be the answer of when we are multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Now next topic is multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. We have to multiply a binomial. So I am taking binomial as 4z minus 3, okay, minus 3. It will multiply by a trinomial. So any trinomial we can take. So I am taking here 4z square. What I am taking? Z square plus 3x plus 4. Okay. Firstly, we are taking 4z. So 4z will go starting from this first one and go next by next. After that, it will go near to 3x. After that, it will go near to 4. So we are starting with 4z, that's why I am putting here 4z. So 4z multiplying by 4z square. Now what is the symbol inside the bracket? Plus. Now 4z multiplying by 3x plus 4z will multiply by 4. This is the things of first bracket, okay. When first term of binomial is multiplying in the each term of trinomial. Now we have to jump on 3, but before that 3, what is the symbol? Minus symbol, that's why minus symbol will come here. Now 3 will go near to 4z square, so multiply by 4z square plus 3 into 3x plus 3 into 4. Now we will solve the brackets, okay. 4 4s are 16. Here multiplication symbol, so z is to power 1, z is to power 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, so z is to power 3 plus 4z multiplying by 3x. So we have to just multiplying the numerical coefficient to each other. 4 3s are 12 and zx as it is, plus 4 4s are 16z. This is the things of first bracket, so they will come inside the bracket. Now what is the symbol? Minus symbol. It will come as it is. 3 4s are 12 z square plus 3 3s are 9 x plus 3 4s are 12. Now here we have z cube, zx, z square, x, 12. All are different from each other. No term is as a like term. That's why we are opening the bracket. So before that first bracket we have positive symbol. So first bracket terms will come as it is. So 16z cube plus 12zx plus 16z. Minus will multiply inside the second bracket. Minus plus is minus, so 12z square. Minus plus is minus 9x. Minus plus is minus 12. So this is our answer. Or we can also write it into the form or. Okay. Or how can we write? Here 16z cube. Here z is to power 3 and here z is to power 3. So we can write it into the descending order from the largest power to the smallest power. Largest power is 16z cube. Minus 12z square. All the terms will come with their symbol, with their sign. Now z square. Now 2 term is here, zx. So plus 12zx. Now we can put whatever 16z or minus 9x, we can put anything. So plus 16z minus 9x. Now lastly we have to put 12. So this will be our answer. One more time you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 term here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 term is here. So we can say our answer is absolutely correct. Now the last topic of this exercise is identities. In this chapter we have 3 identities. So first identity. Before starting of the first identity, what does the meaning of identity? Identity will help us to get the answer in the form of formula, with the help of formula, or it can also used to check answer as LHS is equal to RHS. So for the first property, first identity, we can see A plus B. So it will the binomial 1 2 when A plus B multiplying by A plus B, same symbol. What will be the 1 will multiplying by 1, x is multiplying by x, so we can also write x square. So it can write in the form of A plus B square. Directly we can write because we seen already x is to power 1 multiply by x is to power 2. So we are adding their power, x is to power 1 plus 2, so it will give x is to power 3. Same we are going to do with the brackets. Here A plus B, same is multiplying by A plus B, that's why their power will come as a square. Now when we are multiplying, what will happening when we are multiplying by A into A? Okay, A into A or A into B, that we seen in the binomial multiplying by binomial. We will see here we have A plus B square, A plus B whole square. It means what? It means A plus B multiplying by A plus B. Now we see in binomial is multiplying by binomial. It means A is firstly will go near to A and after that it will go near to B. So I am doing directly A into A is a square plus is here, a into b is ab. Now plus b into, now b will go firstly near to a, and after that it will go near to b, so that b into a is ba plus b into b is b square. You can see a square and b square is as it is, but ab and ba will be the same because order is different, but their variable are same. So 1 time and 2 time. Here ab is 1 time and ab is second time. So 1 plus 1 is 2ab. So our first identity is a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now second identity that we will see, here we seen for the plus symbol, both are having plus symbol. Now we are going to see for the when we have both as a minus symbol. So a minus b, we can also write a minus b whole square. It means a minus b whole square will give what identity? A minus b whole square, it means they will come 2 times. Firstly a will go near to a, then it will go near to b. So a into a is a square. Now you can see minus symbol is here, so minus will come here. A into b is a b. Now we have to start b, but b is having minus symbol. Which symbol? Minus symbol. So b is multiplying in the a and in the b, in the a, in the b. So b into a is ba minus b into b is b square. Okay, b into a is ba minus as it is b into b is b square. So ba minus b square. But what symbol will come here? Here will come the first bracket symbol, that is minus. So a square minus b square as it is, but minus is plus. Order is different but same variable is here, that's why 1 time, so it will become 2 times a square minus 2ab. Here you can see, here we have minus, so minus is multiplying by minus, so it will become plus. So here plus symbol. Why did minus plus is minus is plus? Okay, minus plus is minus plus is plus. Okay, same minus b multiplying by a minus b, so minus b a minus b a minus is plus b square. This thing here you can see, this I had been put in here, minus ba plus b square. So our second identity is a minus b square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now the last identity and last thing that we have to see in the chapter is a plus b multiplying by a minus b. What will be the answer of this? Let's see. A is multiplying in the a. Okay, so a is multiplying in the second bracket a minus b. In the first bracket what is the symbol? Plus. Now it's time for b. B is multiplying in the bracket. Okay, a into a is a square plus minus a into b is ab. Now plus symbol is plus b into a is ba plus into minus plus minus is minus, b into b is b square. You can see minus ab plus ba, both are having different symbol but same variable is there, that's why we can cut minus ab to plus ba and its answer is a square minus b square. So the last property a plus b, a minus b will give a square minus b square. This will be the third identity of the chapter. Now from the next video we will start our chapter exercise.